face, I don't to you.
Balance? Food nila sa ayun.
Girl, I'm looking at a face, I don't
Dito na pala tayo sa Coles. Wina-wipe ko lang yung card. Kumakanta siya ng Frozen. Uupo raw siya eh. Are you gonna sit, Baba? Akin na yan. Okay, come on. Press. Push. Okay. Pull. Okay, wipe your hands.
Let's wipe it together.
Thank you. Huh? Cold?
No.
Okay. What do you want?
Blueberries.
Strawberries?
Let's check.
Pardon?
Let's check, Mom.
Yeah, you check. Check at the back. Good? Yep. How about this one? Yeah, this one. Okay.
Just one more.
That's it.
Just one more.
No, that's it because we're leaving on Friday.
Me.
Oh, man. I want spinach. Patay ng spinach.
How about that?
What's that? Blueberries?
Blueberries.
Okay, careful.
Let me see the sign.
The- Look at first. Check.
Do I buy it?
Okay, good.
Just one more.
That's enough.
Two. I got two.
You have to check. Check it first, please.
Yep.
Oh, you put that one back. Maganda yung kanilang green grapes. Don't eat that one, huh? It's not washed yet. Get carrots. And kalahating butternut pumpkin. Are you alright?
Yes.
Stop coughing, okay? Wala naman siyang ubo. Umuubo. Ha? Okay.
How's that?
Alright. And pink lady. Check lang natin. Pink lady. Okay ba siya? Parang may tama. May tamang isa. Ito na lang. Okay. Okay ito. No, you cannot. Okay. You're full, Baba, there. You're right? You sure?
Mom, we don't have orange.
Huh?
We don't have orange.
Almonds?
Orange.
Orange? You want orange? Mandarins? Where's the mandarin?
There.
Not that one. We're gonna get this. What's this one? Market mandars. Malaki siya. Matigas to, Baba. Ito si Imperial. Ito na lang. Kuha tayo nitong Imperial mandarins. So, kuha tayo ng 10 nito. Maganda kasi malalaki and malambot yung balat. So, kuha tayo ng 10. Ito yung Imperial mandarins. Dito natin nilagay. Dinagay na ni Holly yung mga apples dito. Oh. Why?
Because this way, that way,
Why?
this way.
Why?
Keep going.
Why?
Because look, that green stuff on that. That green one.
Which one? This one?
Yes, there.
Alright.
Look.
Huh?
I love that.
You like this? Okay, kuha tayo nito.
Mom, put it in.
Masarap to kasi para siyang bayabas, matigas. Masarap to. Okay, kuha tayo nito.
That's the dirty one.
This is not dirty. No, this is not dirty. Wait, we're gonna get plastic. Oh, maybe this one. Ito na lang. This one na lang. Okay, here. Dito na lang kasi naka-plastic na siya. The same. They're the same. Ah, gusto niyang hawak.
Oh, no, you hold the feet.
Ay, nako.
Is it
Packham. Yeah. Don't kiss it, Baba.
No.
What do you want? Smiley Fritz. Got ng Smiley Fritz. I don't think so they have Baba.
That's an off the lady.
Pardon?
Off the lady.
Ask the lady.
No, there it is.
Where?
There. This one.
No, that's not Smiley Fritz.
This?
No, it's not. It's a ham. Hi, do you have Smiley Fritz?
No, I'm not getting any today.
See, told you there's no Smiley Fritz. Thank you. See? Wale. Banana na lang daw. Okay, get bananas. Parang hilaw pa to, Baba.
Wait.
Wow.
Chocolate for daddy.
Ano?
Chocolate for daddy.
Later.
Chocolate for daddy.
Yes, later. After fruits and vegetables. Pili lang tayo ng bananas. Tayong bag.
And mom, chocolate daddy.
Later,
Mom,
after.
I'm done.
We have to get brushed potatoes.
No,
Ito yung gusto ni Johnny Bo.
That one.
This one.
She's got them.
Huh?
When we get to the building,
Yeah.
she's got them.
What you gonna ask me?
I'll tell her.
You tell me now so I know.
I'll tell her the way when she gets to
Alright. And pirino. Tomatoes. Sarap to. Matamis. Mas matamis siya kaysa dito sa cherry. Kuha tayo ng continental cucumber. Yes. Say pipino. Pipino. Very good.
What is there?
What do you want?
That green thing.
Wait, Baba, wait.
This is my favorite.
Huh?
Oh,
The peckish. Ito na lang, Baba.
Peckish.
Peckish. You want this one?
This one.
That's, ano bang flavor niya? Sour cream and chives. Yeah, that one.
Is
That's
that
a good.
same?
Yeah, this is original, Baba.
You can check it.
Yeah, this one. It's better, that one. Anong sasabihin?
But it's rice.
Anong sasabihin?
Thank you, but it's rice.
Yeah, it is a rice.
I love this one. Put this down.
Huh?
I'm gonna put this down.
Alright. Slowly. Hinahanapan ko si Sak ng salt and vinegar na peckish. Kaso wala eh. Gusto ni Sak salt and vinegar eh. Meron eto. Salt and vinegar. Eto na lang.
And it's on mushy.
Okay. Oh, Moshi.
Mushy's crying.
Oh, Moshi's crying. Why are you crying? What happened?
He hit his head.
Oh, umiyak daw si Moshi. Ano ba to? Pack bite. Matry nga to kasi salt and vinegar,
The
oh.
other one.
Peckish din siya. Puff. Yeah, Kuya Sak loves that. This is mine. That's not yours.
Mom, how about, Mom, that's not yours. You have to own one.
You're gonna get chocolate for Daddy?
I'll get my own one.
No, you're not allowed, Baba. What chocolate we're gonna get?
That's yours? Already?
I'll share it with you. I'll share it with you. Chocolate.
No, go back. I know which one to the truth. Dad. Mom, go back. I know which to Daddy.
Okay, wait for the lady. Wait for the lady. Sa dami dito, hindi ko makita yung fruit and nut. Fruit and nut. Hindi. Roast almonds. Hazelnut. Hazelnut. Ito, ano ito? Fruit and nut. Ito.
I told you, Mama.
Hold that one.
Hold it.
Tatlo na lang. Ano ba ba?
Johnny.
Ito, ano? O yan. Kuha tayong anim.
Mom, how does that smell?
Yeah, 6.
Mom, just one.
6. Okay, I'll put it here.
Push it one. Mom, just one.
Itong ngayon yung paborito namin ni Jan.
I
Yung
love
fruit and nut.
chocolate. I know. Oh no.
Okay.
Oh.
Kuha din tayo ng Snickers and M&M. What crunchy? Hold this for... This one, you like this? Twix? Okay, here, Baba.
Thank you.
M&M's. Ito kasi ano to eh, by individual siya.
How about Molly?
What?
Molly, that one.
What do you call that?
That one.
What's that?
Molly.
Molly's.
Yes.
Maltesers. Ano sasabihin? Welcome. Kuya wants the Fredo. Si Caramelo. Nasaan si Caramelo? Ito, si Koala. Okay. Koala.
Koala.
Koala. Pa tayo ng Starburst. Kasi, sa Friday, alis ulit kami. Punta ulit tayo ng Adelaide.
One for that and one for cookie.
What?
One for that.
Eh?
One for cookie. And one for me. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna share.
Okay, good. Share it with mommy.
Say you like it.
Yes, I do like that one.
But you hide them for us.
I know, I hide that from you. For all.
Hide them for us.
Of course, I don't want you to eat a lot of lollies.
I want to eat a lot of love. And that's my favorite.
Pardon?
Nika?
Yes, so that's pili ko. This is for Kuya Zach. Paborito ito ni Kuya Zach. Salt and vinegar.
Mom,
Yeah.
can I take this off me?
Ito yung kinain namin sa Harbour Town na popcorn. Ito yung Coke. Pero wala sila yung ano, maliit.
That's my favorite.
Okay, 1, 2. Masarap talaga to. Patay nitong 4. Thank you. Baba, put it here. Ito yung cheddar to eh. Yung isa kasi hindi masarap. Na-try namin. Ano ba yung na-try namin? Ito, magustuhan ito ni Sak. Lightly salted. Hindi. Ito na lang. Kasi ito masarap to.
My favorite.
And drinks ni Johnny Boy. Ayan, 5 yan. And kuhaan tayo nito. Pork belly. Excuse me, Baba. Excuse me.
Mommy, what?
And pang roast beef. Ito pang roast beef. Okay.
Oh, beef? Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Okay, and silver. Yes, we will. Wait. Silver side. Corned beef. Ito lang. Maliit lang. Kasi dyan lang naman kumakain nito eh. And si Kuya TJ. Hindi. Si Sak pala. Si Kuya gusto niyang corned beef is yung sa Pinas. Kuha tayo ng sugar. Dalawahin na natin. Dalawang sugar. Oops. Dalawa. Plain flour. Meron pa ako doon self-raising flour.
Is that the one?
Yes, white flour.
Oh.
Plain flour.
Or sugar? I thought it was sugar.
Yeah, we got sugar.
Oh.
Kuha ako ng coconut milk tsaka coconut cream. Dalawa or tig-tatlo sila.
Coconut egg? That's not coconut.
Babalik tayo dun sa meat kasi nakalimutan ko kumuha ng yung isa yung shoulder pork for roast pork. Okay. Let's go. So, bumalik ako dito para kumuha nito. Ito yung leg roast.
What is your perfect? Your perfect? Your perfect?
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm just in the song.
Just sing a song. Okay. Punta na tayo sa... Where are we going next? Where are we going next? What are we gonna get?
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Coke.
Coke.
No, I said you cold.
Yakult. Okay. Yakult. Okay. How about, do we still have Cocoa Pops, Baba? I don't think so we do. We have to get
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see. So, andito yung Cocoa Pops. Yung malaki na kunin ko.
Now,
What else?
Peanut butter. I'm sure we're gonna have peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Yes.
Gusto niyo ng peanut butter?
And the red one.
What the red one? There's no red one here.
Yeah, I can see them there. There.
Ah, this one? Ah, itong gusto niyo. Ah, crunch? No, the smooth na lang, Baba. Ito na lang. Okay? Alright. What you gonna say?
Is it glass?
What you gonna say?
Thank you. Is it glass?
No, it's a plastic, Baba.
I know you can still break it.
Don't drop it.
I know this.
Wala, nagkakaubusan na naman ng mga
It went from here.
hand soap.
I mean, hey.
Bili tayo nito. Ito yung hand wash. Antibacterial. So, kuha tayo nitong dalawa. Kasi tingnan nyo, magkakaubusan na naman. Ako na ito ilagay. Ito na lang siya. Magkakaubusan na naman na sanitizer. Nakita nyo naman, konti na lang siya sa hand wash. Kasi marami na naman na, hindi dito, maraming case sa Melbourne. Nag-lockdown yung Melbourne. Ha?
Where is it?
I got it here. No, this one.
Sanitizer?
Ito yung ano,
That's not the sanitizer.
Country Life. Hindi ko pa ito
That's
na-try.
not sanitizer.
Yes, it is.
Is that glass?
Huh?
This glass?
That's for hand wash. To wash your hands. And, ito na ang gusto kong pads. Yung extra nito. Kasi, mas maganda siya. Para sa akin lang naman. Compare dito. Ito talaga dati ang binibili ko. Pero nung nagkaubusan, ito yung natira. And, mas gusto ko na siya. So, ito na ang gusto ko. Nasaan yung extra? Hanapin nga natin yung extra. Hindi, eto. Dalawa nito. Yung libro, maganda siya. Gusto ko, yeah, with wings. Okay?
Is this the one you pressed this?
Panty liner. And eto pa rin ako. Maganda to.
Going back.
Okay? And eto, kumuha ko nitong 6. Eto yung Rexona ni Jan. Paiba-iba kasi minsan nauubos yung mga ibang gusto niya. And kuha ulit ako nitong isa. Kasi nagkakaubusan na naman sila, oh. Made in Australia to. So, 3 na yan. Come on, Baba.
Okay, Daddy.
And dito.
Next.
And kuha tayo ng toilet paper. Ang daming toilet paper dito, oh. Pero sa Melbourne, marami na naman nag-hoard.
I'm just gonna win in that.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm just.
Are you losing?
Yes, I'm losing.
Oh my God. And
Pa's not letting me win.
aww.
God.
Offset, oh.
You have to press the blue line.
Para sa kusina.
You
Yes.
have to press the blue
Ano
one.
nga ba ito yung
Mom,
paper towel? Ha?
you need to press the blue one.
Okay.
So you can make you.
Yep. Dito na tayo sa malamig area. Malamig area. Kuha tayo ng milk. Okay. Baba, can you remove Moshi, please? I'll put this one here.
There's no room there.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm just gonna lose a minute.
Yoko, ang layo. Ah, ba't konti lang yun?
Just
Wala sila yung ano, tigsa 10.
Okay, now I'm just. What are you doing? Because not letting me win.
Ito na lang, 4 nito. Kasi tigli 5 lang yung meron sila. Umakyat ako dito.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Okay, what?
Wala yung tig sa 10.
God, why not let me win? I'm not your friend. Okay, now I'm playing a different game.
Different game.
I'm gonna play.
Okay, yogurt.
I'm playing Ninja.
Okay, where's your yogurt, Baba? Pili mo tayo ditong yogurt niya. Banana, mango. So, kuha tayo. Wait. Meron ako ditong 5 banana, tsaka 5 apples. Wait. I'm not done. Wait. Lagyan muna natin siya dyan. And, where's yung, yung mango? Mango, ayan. Sa 2. 3, 4. Sana wala nang mango. Yun na lang, 4 na lang. Wala nang mango, so walang blueberry sa ito. So 5, 1, 2. So 6 nito. 2, 4, 5. Isa pa nito. Yeah, strawberries. Where? Here? Okay. Dito pala si strawberries. 1. 5 din ito. Mang strawberries.
Mom, also.
Which one? What? The blue one?
Yeah, the blue one.
The blueberries?
You're
welcome.
Hear this noise. See this. I know what I'm doing.
Can you do it? Oh, you did. Good job.
I know, I just know.
So, ayan. Nauna na siya. Yogurt.
I love yogurt.
I know. And carrots and peas. Kuha tayo ng carrots and peas. And peas. Okay, excuse me, Baba. Tayo ng peas. Okay? Kuha tayo nito kasi si Jan. Gustong-gusto niya to si Minion, yung mousse.
That's my favorite.
This is Daddy's favorite.
That's my favorite. It's for all of us.
Okay. Kuha rin tayo ng cheese. Ano mo siya? Uy, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay, let's go.
I love you.
Ham.
I know. I'm just what I said.
No.
That's what I said.
Alright. Andito pala si Don. Ito yung ham.
Mom, pretend this is a charger.
A what?
A charger for the iPad.
A charger for the iPad.
The iPad.
Mahulog ha? Kung ano na lang ang pinagagawa niya, oh. Pretending. This is, what is this phone?
No, it's iPad and this is the charger.
iPad and this is the charger.
I mean, that's not the charger.
What's-
Pretend this is your computer.
Com-
Do this.
Computer?
Yeah.
Alright.
We're done.
What are you doing? Editing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
But that one's
And kuha tayo ng marinated feta cheese.
okay, I'm finished my editing.
Pardon?
I finished my editing. It said holy. I gonna buy myself book.
What? You finished what?
They come with
Finish what? Editing?
I didn't finish it.
Did you edit your vlog?
No.
What?
Watching my vlog.
You're watching your vlog.
This is later when I watch the vlog.
Okay.
Later.
You watch the vlog in the computer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, baby, now let's go.
Nakalimutan ko kumuha ng salmon.
Chocolate.
We had got lots of chocolate. So, balik tayo dun sa deli. Kasi nakalimutan ko yung salmon.
Can we play Jordan and the shop?
What?
I'm gonna go now.
Yeah, wait. Mommy's just gonna get my salmon. And we're done.
I don't want to.
Oh, we're not done because we're gonna go to Baker's Delight. Kuha pa tayo ng tinapay, guys. Ha?
Wait, go in there.
And may nakalimutan din ako dito. bilhin to ni Sako. Si Messi Monkey. And kuha rin ako ng move. Hala, ang dami nating nakalimutan. So, balik tayo dun. Make sure you eat that one, ha? Kumuha siya dito, oh. Naabot niya si berry shake. Na?
I like it, but I love pink.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna take it, but this is my favorite.
Ang daldal niya,
Where's
diba?
the lollies?
I don't know. Yes, salmon. 2, please. And can I have this one? Ay, may crab sila, oh. And another big size, please. A belly, maybe? Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
So put it on my side.
Okay. Alright, we're done.
What is
I
this
think
one?
salmon nga, ang kulit. Okay, we're done. Tapos na tayo dito sa coast. Kuha tayo ng bread na.
Yeah.
Pero pupunta pa rin tayo sa Baker's
I don't
Delight.
want salmon.
You don't like salmon? Okay.
It's not cooked yet.
That's right, it's not cooked. Kuha tayo nito. Para sa ano ba? Sa pork, niro-roast ko. So, ito na lang. Wala, saan natin ito ilalagay? Okay? Come on, Baba. Let's go. We're done here. Ano? Nababawan siya sa salmon. Magbayad na tayo. Kumuha na ako ng extra bags kasi kinulang tayo sa eco bags.
Oh, my lollies.
What?
Oh, my lollies.
I don't know where's your lollies, Baba. I don't know. I don't know where. No. We cannot check it now.
Where's my lollies?
Lady, where's my lollies?
I'm not sure.
Oh, see? She's not sure where it is. I don't know where she put it, Baba. Here. Nagkalat na yung ating mga bags. Baba, sit down there first. Please sit down. Yeah, sit down there. Okay. Meron silang bagong freebies. Kumuha lang siya. Kinulang kasi siya. Thank you. Thank you. So, ito yung bago nilang freebies, oh. Little Tree House. Lagyan natin yan dyan. Okay, we're done here. Wait, Baba. Turn, Baba. Turn. May bag pa ako dito. Ang dalawa. Come on. Help, Mommy. Push. Come on. Watch for Nana. Ano na. May box pa tayo dito. Ayan. Nakapatong na ako dito. Kasi imumove ko yung yung kaninang binili ko sa Asian store. Ito ba? Nakabox kasi. Wala kasi yung dalawang boys. Kung nandito yung dalawang boys, tulungan ako na. Ha?
The boy has to school.
I know that, Baba. Wala nga akong papasahan. Mabalingan muna natin ito.
Think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.
Ayan na sila. So, punta na tayo sa Baker's Delight.
Oh my God, don't drive it. I'm
Yes.
not finished yet.
Yeah, okay. Tinatry niyang ilagay yung yung seatbelt niya, pero i-check ko pa rin. Ayun siya, oh. Nailagay niya na yung isa. Good job, Baba. So, punta tayo ng Baker's Delight. Then, after Baker's
Look,
Delight.
guys, look.
Look, guys. Oh, see? Nailagay niya. How about the other one?
The other one.
After sa Baker's Delight, sa butcher naman ako kasi kuha ko ng steak. Oh, hindi steak. Schnitzel. Kasi may steak pa dun
Now,
si
where
Jan.
are we going next?
Baker's Delight. Okay?
Yay!
Okay. I-fix.
No,
Ayusin ko
finish
na.
it.
Okay, I'll do it now, Baba.
I can.
Okay. Push. Good girl.
I done it.
Yes, okay. Let's go. Dito na kami sa sa my Baker's Delight. kinakain namin yung ano, binuksan ko na pala to. Yung Happy na nabili ko sa Filipino store. And eto pala, ang sabi, eto pala yung magiging bagong Coles. Ayan guys, ginagawa. Sabi ha, I'm not sure but yan yung naririnig ko na eto raw ang magiging bagong Coles. So, magkatabi, hindi pala magkatabi, magkatapat na ulit sila ni Baker's Delight, tsaka ni She's Apples Market. Ayan oh. So, nauna lang silang dalawa na lumipat. Tapos, baka next Coles naman. Abangan natin. Okay, let's go, Papa.
Yay.
Okay, come on. Oh, ang lamig. Ang lamig. Nag-order na ako. Iwan lang natin kasi slice pa niya. Punta tayo ng... Okay, later. Come on, let's go to She's Apples. First time natin dito pumasok. Dito sa She's Apples. Pero sa Baker's Delight, pangalawa. So, tingin tayo ng eto, yellow bell pepper. Hindi ako kumuha nito sa Coles kasi wala sila na yellow.
Mama, what that?
Huh?
Pepper and salt.
Pepper and salt. That's not pepper and salt. That's capsicum. And isang, eto na lang para green and red. Isa din. Meron sa Coles na red. Pero sabi ko, dito na lang sa She's Apples kasi punta naman tayo dito. Kasi gusto kong kumuha ng yellow. Ayan, may okra sila and ampalaya. Mas malaki na sila compare doon sa dati nilang pwesto. Come on, Papa. Oh, maganda sana yung beans dito. Oh. Ayan, may mga salad. Meron na rin silang ganito. Dati wala. Mga fruits and veggies lang talaga sila dati. Tapos cheese. May deli na rin sila, oh. Ang laki na. Ay, wow. Next time, punta tayo dito. Pilit maghanap tayo ng bagong itatry natin. Ito favorite to ni Sako olives. Okay, come on, Papa. Ito kasing She's Apples, siya, healthy option siya. Tapos may mga organic talaga sila dito. Wait, Baba, ano na naman nakikita mo? Ay, ito yung mga lollies dito. Okay, wait. What?
My favorite.
No, that's yucky. Hinahanapan ko si Jan yung coconut balls. Masa kaya yun?
What is that? Kuya's favorite.
I know, that's Kuya Sa. Maybe kunan natin si Saki rin ko. And Kuya TJ. Kuya Saki and Kuya TJ. Wait, I'll do it. Pagdagalit.
Buy one.
And you don't touch, okay? Just, no, you cannot have one. Okay, scoop it. Like this. Okay, more. Don't touch it, ha? Okay. Ako na, Baba?
I can.
Ay, ayaw niya talaga. Hurry up. Oh, yeah, that one. Okay, hold this one. Careful. Okay, good job. Okay, I think that's enough, Baba. Okay, thank you. Ayan. Dagdagan ko to.
Oh my God.
Ayan, dinagdagan ko. Ito yung soya crisp, sweet chili and lime. Hanap ko na. Ayan yung coconut apricot balls. Walang tayo na bag.
Can I do it?
No, it's you cannot reach it, Baba. So, isang ganito. Wait lang. So, ito siya. Okay, let's go. Yung dried fruit pa pala na mix. Wait lang. Kuha tayo nitong fruit medley. Kasi meron na siyang apricot. Mix na ba siya? Wait lang, Baba. Ganyan lang. Ang bango. Ang bango. So, yan. Okay, let's go. So, ito yung mga nakuha natin dito sa She's Apples. Magbabayad na tayo. Okay, Moshi and Howie. Kunin na natin yung ating... Howie, where are you going? Yung ating sliced bread. Baba, come here. Buti pa dito, mainit. Mainit, warm. Kasi may heater sila, oh. This is she's apples. Medyo malamig. Ito na yung ating in order. Ilagay ko na to dito. Kasya pa ba? Yes. Wait lang, baby. Ayan, kasya pa naman. Huwag lang siyang mayupi. Hoy. Sa gilid lang sila. Yes, baby. Wait, we have to pay. And eto, nakuha natin siyang free. Kasi, ayan, meron tayong napuno. So, ayan, na-claim na natin. Meron pa tayong isang i-claim. And may bago tayong ulit na card. And, ayan, meron ulit tayong free. Okay. Lagay natin to dito. Okay, let's go, Baba. Baba, come on. Hold Mommy's hand. Dito na tayo sa...
Say happy, Mama.
Why? Margaret.
Because-
Come on. Baba, don't touch it. Come on here. Dito tayo. Don't touch it, Yaki. Come on. Dito na tayo, guys.
That's all?
Yeah. Yeah. See ya. Come on, Baba. We're done. Okay, let's go. We're going home now. Come on. Tulog siya. Oops. Nagising pagbukas na.
Don't see for myself.
Oh, binalitan niya kahit tulog siya.
That's a chocolate.
Oh, get your mochi, Baba. Pagod si Johnny Boy. So, ayan na yung mga pinang-grocery natin. And, pinaandar niya yung washing machine. Tingnan natin. Okay. So, eto yung ating bagong washing machine. Hindi nyo pa nakita yung aming dating washing machine. Picturean ko na lang kung anong itsura niya. Nasa labas na kasi, linabas na ni Jan. And, pinaandar ni Jan na mayroong detergent na walang damit. Kasi yun ang required na dapat pa andarin siya for, I think, 1 hour. And yung brand niya ay, ayan, Ariston, made from Italy. And nagtanong kami, kasi nga, yung gusto sana ni Jan ay Bosch na brand na Germany, made in Germany. Ang nandun ay made in China na Bosch. So, sabi ni Jan, wag daw yun. So, sabi niya, nagtanong siya kung ano ba yung mas maganda pa, yung the best na washing machine. Tapos, ito yung recommend ng babae. Tapos, meron akong gusto na AEG, ata yung brand, hindi ko alam kung tama yun. Basta, maganda siya na vlog ko yun. Sabi ni Jan, pag nagkaroon na lang daw kayo ng bagong bahay, yun ang bibilhin namin. So, sa ngayon, eto muna yung ating washing machine. Pero maganda to, sabi ng babae. And naka-warranty siya for 5 years.
Mommy, we're not going to Adelaide.
We're not going to Adelaide? Why?
Because Dad said.
Oh, Dad said. Bakit kaya? Ito yung old washing machine namin guys. Andun, no? Ayun. Andun siya. Yung loob hindi niya makikita. One day, ipakita ko sa inyo. Buksan natin yan or picturean ko. So, but, yeah, ito na yung ating bagong washing machine. So, ayan muna natin siyang umikot-ikot dyan. So, i-close na namin yung vlog, guys. Kasi nakita nyo naman lahat ng mga pinamili namin sa Kohl's. Right, Baba? And,
You can't close the vlog.
ipuput away ko yung mga groceries, and then, magluluto ako ng dinner. So, yun na yung ganap namin. Mamaya, nandito yung mga boys. So, thank you, guys. Say thank you na, Baba. Please.
Thank you.
Okay.
Please like, please have see you next vlog. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think